Hey Dorix. Rawr. I'm hungry, so I'm going to be making some weird sushi today. To be honest, these ingredients they probably gonna taste good in sushi. Anyways, so I've got some kiwi right here. Um, yeah, kiwi might be good. And I've got some pomegranate. And I know pomegranate isn't a fruit. These are technically the seeds of the pomegranate, but whatever. And I've got some olives as well. Usually I go with black olives. I just like the taste of black olives better. But I only had green olives this time. So, that's about it. The rice is on the stove, ready to mix the sushi. So, kiwi, olives, pomegranate. Ah, I'm gonna go make the sushi. See you in a bit. Bye bye. Rawr, I'm back. Hello. Did you miss me? No, you didn't. Okay, so I made the sushi rolls. We got the kiwi, the olives, the pomegranate seeds, and one of them a mix of all three. As you can see from the one that mixes all three, it's too big. I don't think I'm gonna eat this on camera because it is just too big. But let's just put our soy sauce right here. with a good portion of wasabi. Fake wasabi, of course. Ba, ba, ba. So, first off, we got the kiwi. I got high hopes for this one. Well, I got high hopes for two of them, actually. So let's dip it in some soy sauce and let's see it out. Oh, okay. I thought the kiwi fell out. It didn't. All right, let's see how it tastes. Actually, that wasn't too bad. I like the kiwi. My soy sauce could use more wasabi, but other than that, the kiwi roll was kind of nice. Next up, let's try some olive. Is this the olive? Looks like it's got a good amount of olive in there. As you've probably noticed, this rice did not turn out too well. Too mushy. I think I put too much water in it and let it simmer for too long. But I'm trying a new kind of rice, so just gotta learn what the magic ratio is. Alright, dip it in some soy sauce and let's see how it tastes. Okay. I thought that was going to be kind of bad, but it's actually not that bad. Probably won't make it again. It's not that good, but you know, it's fairly edible still, which is kind of odd because I really did not think that salty olives would go with salty soy sauce and rice. But apparently, what do I know? Let's get some pomegranate with lots of pomegranate filling. Oh, yeah, lots of filling in this one. Okay, so now we're going with the pomegranate. Oh, gotta be careful with these seeds. They stain like crazy. And they're just popping out of here. Stop popping out. Stop falling out. Alright, let's dip it in some soy sauce. And let's see how it tastes. I thought there was going to be better than that. You know, I think it's mostly the texture, that little crunch in the center. I don't think that goes well in sushi. Plus, I mean, they keep falling out, so while the taste was alright, I would not recommend using pomegranate seeds in sushi. Maybe as like a topping, a pretty little topping for the sushi rolls, but not as a filler, because they're just going to fall out. Okay, so those were my 3 sushi rolls of kiwi, which was good, olives, which was decent, and pomegranate, which was underwhelming. So, this concludes this weird sushi video. I shall see you next time. Bye-bye. Boop.